To mend and heal from my life struggles, I went to seek a therapist every once in a while. It's not an ordinary therapy, it's an art therapy. As Picasso once said, art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. Getting art therapy really helps me to cope with my past wounds. There's this one place that I usually go to for my art therapy session. It's called therARTpeutic. Upon arriving, the first thing that I noticed was how exceptional and distinctive the form was from any other places that I've ever seen. Surrounded by verdant nature, therARTpeutic exudes serene and calming atmosphere. As I entered therARTpeutic, I immediately took off my shoes then greet my therapist. My therapist would ask me basic questions such as how am I doing and if I'm feeling any better. We usually sat face to face near the entrance. The cool breezy air and the way that the shadow fell from the tree felt really calming. I felt like I'm in a sheltered safe space and I could tell my therapist freely about my struggles. After chatting for a while, my therapist told me it is about time to start with the painting session. As usual, I get to pick any painting position that I desire. I took my moment to look at the view first because I like to use nature as my reference for painting. Today, I picked the furthest location, near the lake. I felt like I wanted to paint the lake, which was gleaming beautifully as the sun hits its surface. My therapist prepared the painting equipment beforehand. As I sat down to paint, I reached the painting brush on my right, mixed some paints on my palette, and began to paint. The painting session was always soothing, so it helps a lot to ease and calm my mind. My therapist usually sat quite far behind me and gave me the personal space that I needed. As the therapy session came to an end, me and my therapist once again sat down to start evaluating my painting result and counseled me. We sat near the lake with our feet dangling around, almost touching the water. After that, the session ended. I went home feeling refreshed and I can wait for my next therapy session at therARTpeutic.